easier on the back.
Well, that is a lot.
What did you say about it?
I said it's not easier on the back.
Oh.
Why do you think they tell women not to vacuum for 6 weeks after they had a baby? Because it's hard on your abdominal muscle and it's hard on your back. What do you think, Jeff?
Well, I think if you guys like it, then you should keep it.
What do you think, Oma?
I think you have to turn around and it's heavy at the top. I don't find it any easier to maneuver this one. It does fit right underneath the thing though. Fits underneath the table. It's heavy on the top.
It looks heavy on the top.
Very heavy on here.
But it's already full, huh?
It better not be almost full.
Yeah,
That's
look.
what
It looks like a crazy thing.
it better not be. Because if I have to fill it up in between vacuuming, I'm not going to be a happy person.
No, I guess it's
This is sending the wrong message to our kids.
What? If the kids sit down while the Oma vacuums?
No, it's saying that when we're your mom and dad's age, we're gonna have to vacuum their living room.
I'm buying a robo vacuum.
I had a student.
I really want one, but the good ones are like $800.
I had a student posted a picture where nothing he has but a robo vacuum. Nothing
I'm
but
not
a
sure. I'm not sure. You better.
spread poop all over the house.
Oh, I don't have I just have Al and Michael.
Alan and Michael.
Yeah, Michael's my bamboo plant, and Al's my
I don't know.
Overa plant.
Al O'Zara.
And came up with it.
Al O'Zara.
That is the river.
That's what I'm about.
I don't know.
You only have to water it in the winter like once a month.
Oh, that's bare floor and area rug. And this is high pile carpet.
Oh.
I'm supposed to keep it on that.
Well, you like when it goes under.
Yeah, I do like that.
Then he said if you keep it inside, keep it near a window.
Makes a funny
So
noise
it takes
though.
a lot of sun.
does.
Only water it like once a month.
Wow, yeah.
And in the winter, only water it once every 2 months.
Really? Wow.
Okay, Oma, turn it off for a minute. Oh.
Now, how easy is it to empty that full little container?
Like it's full already.
Look at how much, I mean, this is like a bunch.
Yeah, and we vacuum every day. So what do you think, Oma? What's your review out of 10?
It's not gonna stand up.
It's not
No.
gonna stand up.
Sean, have you ever watched the Pizza Bite, the pizza
I don't-
reviews?
Like the idea that
There's
it's not a
this guy
regular
on
dust
Barstool
buster
Sports
without
who he goes
the
around
cord.
the country
It's very
reviewing pizzas,
top heavy
and he goes like, flop, look at the flop.
and
And then
it's
he-
not that
Look at the
easily
flop.
manipulated. Yeah, it's, I like the bottom that it goes underneath the table,
No, Mom told me
but I
to
don't
flop.
care for the fact that it's so heavy on top. And it's really hard on your hands, and I don't like the idea that if it's supposed to be a dust buster, that I'm dragging a cord.
All right. So out of 10, it's a
4.5, 5.